Hi, everybody. What I'm going to teach you today is how to use the remix tree feature in Scratch version 3. Now, there's going to be times when you want your students to remix a project, and then there's going to be other times when you want your students to do the project themselves, and you don't want them to have taken somebody else's work and submitted as their own, also known as cheating. So the real simple way to do this in Scratch version 3 is up here in the URL. Every student submits their project as a series of numbers, and then if you do / and write the word remix tree, you will be able to see how many times that particular project has been remixed. So for example, this is a project called Digital Display, and as you can see, it's been remixed more than 98 times. And as you can see, there's a reason for that. Here they added a background to it. Here they made it look a little different. So as you can see, people have used this in their projects and they've remixed it. Now, this is what a remix tree looks like of a project that has been remixed. Now let me show you what a project remix tree would look like for a project that hasn't been remixed. So before we hopped on this video, I created a project called Remix Tree Examples. I know it has not been remixed by anybody. I created it because I haven't shared it, so nobody can see it. And if I go up to the URL up here and type in the words Remix Tree, this is what you want your students' work to look like in Remix Tree if it was supposed to be done by just them. Here you can see it's one time, it's one project, and nobody has made any branches or has remixed it. So this is what a remix tree will look like of a project that is just supposed to be done by your students and just done by them and nobody else. So if you assigned it, this means they did not cheat. So this is how you use the remix tree in Scratch version 3. I hope you found this video helpful. Good luck.